I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram Wallet, a powerful feature integrated directly into your messaging app. This wallet makes managing cryptocurrencies incredibly simple and accessible. You can store, send, receive, and even exchange popular digital assets such as Bitcoin, TON, and USD, all without leaving Telegram. It's designed to be user-friendly, bringing the world of crypto to millions of users right within their familiar chat interface. Setting up your Telegram wallet is straightforward. First, locate the official @WalletBot using the search bar in your Telegram app and tap Start. You will then be prompted to create a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. To add funds, you have several options. Purchase crypto directly with a bank card, use the peer-to-peer market, or simply receive supported cryptocurrencies from other users or external wallets. Sending and receiving crypto with Telegram Wallet is designed for maximum ease. You can send cryptocurrencies to any of your Telegram contacts directly through a chat, often with zero fees for in-app transfers. For sending to an external wallet, simply input the recipient's wallet address and double-check all the details before confirming. To receive crypto, just share your unique wallet address or your Telegram username with the sender. It's truly as simple as sending a message. Security is paramount for your digital assets. Always protect your Telegram wallet with a strong, unique passcode and enable two-factor authentication for your Telegram account. If you use a self-custodial option like TON Space, remember to securely store your recovery phrase offline and never share it. Beyond basic transactions, the wallet supports a growing list of cryptocurrencies and includes a peer-to-peer market for trading. Its user-friendly interface allows you to easily manage your balances and review your transaction history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.